today we are going to study our passage number 3rd of lesson number 1.4 Pillars of Democracy, written by Dr. B.R. Ambedkar. In the second in the third passage, the writer is talking about the fraternity. Fraternity means what? A universal feeling of a common brotherhood. Okay, fraternity is a brotherhood. And second point, he was talking about the American Episcopal Church. There, what happened in the prayer, these priests, they recited that, oh God, bless the nation. At that time, the contradiction has been taken place. So the two things the writer has highlighted in the passage number 3rd. So what is the principle of fraternity? Principle of fraternity means in democracy, all the citizens, they must consider themselves that they are brother and sister. Okay, and each citizen should respect another citizen. And next thing is that fraternity gets collapsed when there is a high spirits of communalism in the country. For example, in India, what happened nowadays, ruling parties BJP, so they are focusing their agenda on Hindutva, communalism. Their politics is totally based on communal politics. And the second thing is that when the secular voters, they too become communal, at that time there will be no fraternity, brotherhood, and there will be the democracy is going to be detrimental. Okay, it would become very much harmful for the sake of the nation. So in the principle of fraternity is the brotherhood. So in India, means majority of the people, they are having secular mandate. Their thought is that they should respect each and every religion, they should respect each and every culture, tradition, caste, okay, and so on. So if suppose if all the secular people, they will become communal, then what will happen? Then Hindu Rashtra will become in our country. So the main strength of our nation is the fraternity, brotherhood. Okay, all means people of all caste and religion, they embrace each other, and in this way our democracy is very strong even today also. Okay, so the principle of fraternity. And second point, he has discussed that American Protestant Episcopal Church, what happened? This Protestant church, there the priest, they recited in the short prayer the whole people and nation, where they raised an objection by the religious community, and they adopted, oh Lord, bless this United States. So some contradiction has taken place in the church. So these 2 points has been discussed by the writer in our passage number 3rd. Now let us have a glance over the text, then we will discuss in detail. The second thing we are wanting is recognition of the principle of fraternity. We must follow this principle of fraternity. What does fraternity means? Fraternity means a sense of common brotherhood of all Indians. If Indians being one people, it is the principle which gives unity and solidarity to social life. Solidarity means feeling of unity between people who have the same interest, goal, etc. Feeling of unity. Solidarity means feeling of unity. So, feeling of unity. It is a difficult thing to achieve. How difficult it is can be realized from the story related by the James Bryce in his volume of American Commonwealth about the United States of America. The story is, I propose to recount it in the words of Bryce himself, that some Americans, some years ago, the American Protestant Episcopal Church was occupied at its triennial convention in revising its liturgy. It was thought desirable to introduce among the short sentence prayer a prayer for the whole people. And an eminent New England divine proposed two words, "O Lord, bless our nation." So what happened? The contradiction has taken place in the church. The priest, they recited the prayer in favor of the people. So later on the objection came that means we should not conduct the prayer on behalf of the people. We should should include whole nation in our prayer. So there was means some religious head, they started opposing. So in this way the objection came by the religious community, and they adopted that, oh Lord, bless this United States. They say that prayer should be conducted and it should include whole nation, not only the people. Okay, if you see in America, United States of America, what happened? They respect the talent. If you are having talent, they will welcome you. They will give you green card, and there they will pay you means handsome salary also. But thing is that you should be obedient. You should follow the law of United States, and they will give you green card, each and every facility. And a large number of people they are migrating to United States. Okay, and in this way they are earning their bread and butter. So in United States, means there means different caste of the people, they are coming there, they are doing their job, and they are earning their bread and butter. So that's why this priest clergy, they say that in prayer should not include only the people of United States, but the prayer should be conducted on behalf of complete United States, this United States. So the objection came. So these 2 points were discussed in our passage number 3rd. Then what he says, "O Lord, bless our nation." Accepted one afternoon on the spur of the moment, the sentence was brought up next day for reconsideration when so many objections were raised by the laity. Laity means member of religious community. And instead there was a recognition of national unity, that it was dropped, and instead there were adopted the words, "O Lord, bless this United States." So in this way, if you see in United States, means all people from different parts of the country, all the learned scholar, they are going there, they are showing the talent, and in this way they are getting their job. And in United States, they are means earning the bread and butter, and later on they are sending the money to their native country. So in this way, United States is a secular country. Secular. If you see, means media is very strong there. Directly they are putting the counter question to that president of United States. But in India, they are not conducting the interview of the Prime Minister of our country. These things are happening. So what happened? Media itself has deteriorated its respect in our country, and in this way they are favoring the government, they are hiding the wrong policy of the government, and later on the people from various social media platform, they are bringing the ins and outs of the government of our country. Okay, the economy is down 24%. So in United States it is not like that. The country is secular, and the government, they respect each and every citizen of the country, whoever it may be. They are giving enormous importance to the people. So this is the main idea of the 3rd passage. Then next, passage number 4. Now come to the passage number 4. In passage number 4, there was so little caste system in India. Yes, Dr. B.R. Ambedkar is talking about the caste system. Caste system is the nowadays root cause of all the evility has been considered by the high caste society, and these in the caste system, the lower class Shudra, they were exploited very badly. Dalit were treated very badly, and the high caste Brahman, they exploited the low caste people in our country, and somewhat become hindrance in the solidarity. And why in India there is no unity? Sometime what happened, if you see Kashmir, they are having their different issue, 370-35A article, they are fighting, and it has given the special status by the central government of India. Different issue. But if you see earlier in Punjab, they were demanding the Khalistan movement. They were saying that we want independent state. So at the time of Indira Gandhi, what happened? She passed the order, and firing has taken place. So many people were killed at the Golden Temple. So at different states, they are having different issues and problems. So similarly, here caste system were dominant in our country during the pre-independence period. Then caste system brings separation in social life. In social life, if you see, it brought separation separation, how separation during those time, if any Dalit he was coming to that temple, so what happened, they used to give the ablution from the water of 7th river, okay, giving the ablution to the temple. But what happened, they are pelting the stone, they were pelting the stone to the means Shudra people, the Dalit people. So this thing was very dominant in our country during the pre-independence period. Then in the United States, there is no caste system. Baba Saheb Ambedkar, he has compared India with US because he went there in Columbia University, he did his PhD, and whatever experience he has got in America, so he has shared here. He says that caste system, there is a inequality in our society due to caste system. So high caste people, they are separated themselves, and in this way, this low caste people, they were living in isolation. Okay, they were denied their basic rights. So that's why Baba Saheb Ambedkar, he fought for the welfare of the low caste people. Then anti-national generate jealousy and promote disharmony between caste and creed. Even today, if you see the high caste community, what they are doing, they are saying that if you are suppose raising the voice against the Modi government, they will tell you anti-national. So, okay, and in this way they promote disharmony, means disunity, disharmony. They promote jealousy, and what happened at the time of election, they are doing the polarization politics. They are saying Hindu, Muslim, and in this way, what happened? The big divide takes place. Hindu voter, they will vote for the BJP, and the minority, they will vote for the Congress, okay, whoever favoring them, those party. So in this way, the caste system is the biggest hindrance in the social inequality of our society. So these are the point of the passage number 4th, and it all constitutes to make the main idea of the passage number 4. Now let's have a glance over the text. There was so little solidarity, feeling of unity in the USA at the time when this accident occurred, that the people of America did not think that they were a nation. If the people of the United States could not feel that they were a nation, how difficult it is for Indians to think that they are a nation. I remember the days when politically minded Indians represented the expression the people of India. They preferred the expression the Indian nation. I am of the opinion that in believing that we are a nation, we are cherishing a great delusion. Baba Saheb Ambedkar says that we people not considering ourselves as a nation. Okay, you should consider each and every Indian, they are the part of our nation. Okay, you should not make discrimination. You must have the feeling of patriotism. You should respect. But due to this caste system, what happened? People, they think that these low caste people, they are getting reservation, and the high caste people, they have to struggle a lot so as to get the good marks in the exam, and in open category, they are not getting admission in higher education. And these low caste people on 40%, 35%, they are on the reservation quota, they are getting the admission. So this is the big, what we can say, disharmony among the high caste people and low caste people. And in the United States, there is no reservation. All are equal. You have to show your talent. On the basis of talent, you will be selected. You should work hard. Means all people are working hard equally, and that's why they are progressing. But in our country, it is not like that. So the low caste people, they are very poor. They cannot afford the fees. So and the government pass the scholarship for them, and on the basis of scholarship, low caste people, they are getting the government job. And in this way, the high caste community, they are supposed to struggle a lot, and sometimes they are not getting job also. So these are the disharmony in Indian society. Next, how can people divided into several thousands of castes be a nation? The sooner we realize that we are not as yet as a nation in the social and psychological sense of the word, the better for us. For then only we shall realize the necessity of becoming a nation and seriously think of ways and means of realizing the goal. The realization of this goal is going to be very difficult, far more difficult than it has been in the United States. Yet the United States has no caste problem. In India there are castes. The castes are anti-national in the first place because they bring about separation in social life. They are anti-national also because they generate jealousy and antipathy. Antipathy means a strong dislike between caste and creed. But we must overcome all these difficulties. If we wish to become a nation in reality, for fraternity can be a fact only when there is a nation. Without fraternity, equality and liberty will no deeper than coats of paint. So Dr. B.R. Ambedkar, he has focused on liberty, equity and fraternity, and he says he also accepts that due to this caste system there are inequality in the society, and after giving the reservation to the low caste community, what happened, they got the social stature. Their stature is raised by the B.R. Ambedkar with the help of the reservation. Now Baba Saheb Ambedkar says that in USA there is no caste system, and that's why there is no conflict. And in our country there is a caste system, and high caste people always used to exploit the low caste people. So the conflict, it was predominant from since the pre-independence period, and it is continued till now also. If you see, most of the time news comes from UP, Bihar, different parts of our country, that Dalit family were burnt alive. Okay, their women were raped. Okay, very often. Hathras. What happened in Hathras? The Dalit girl, she was raped, and later on what happened? Very big protest has been taken place all from different part of our country on behalf of that girl. So these things are happening, not now. It has continued since pre-independence period, since the time of British. So these are the main point of the passage number 4. So dear student, if you are having any doubt or queries, difficulties regarding passage number 3rd, 4th, so you give your comment on our comment box section of the YouTube channel, and subscribe the channel. I request to one and all. Thank you very much.